Hello, my name is Attorney LaKanya Murray with Off the Mark IP Solutions. My company or my law practice helps people throughout the United States with trademarks, copyright, and business development solutions. I'm here today because of some things that I've seen on my Facebook timeline where people are complaining about their Facebook live stream videos being removed because of background music. So today I'm going to talk to you about why that's happening, what you can do to prevent it, and what to do if you find yourself the victim of having your video taken down. All right, here we go. So why is your video being taken down? Your video is most likely being taken down because Facebook has found some type of infringing property, copyright infringement. So let's start there. What is a copyright? A copyright is an original authorship fixed in tangible form. Okay? And that means that it boils down to an original work that is placed in some kind of form. It can't just be an idea. It has to be something like, in this case, music, which is with lyrics, without lyrics, that is in your video. And so what I noticed that Facebook and YouTube are doing is, when it comes to music, they're just taking a defense approach and saying that if you have music in your video, we're going to take it down and we're going to make you tell us that it's not infringing. Okay, so what can you do to prevent this from happening to you? So the first thing you can do is record your videos without any music. Simple, right? The second thing is to make sure that the music you do have in your videos is music that you own or have a license to. So something that you wrote or created yourself, or something that you have permission from the owner to use. And to be clear, if you purchase something, a tape or a CD, or a download on iTunes, that does not give you the right to use that music in your video. That gives you the right to listen to it on a personal level, but you can't use that music in a video. And when we're talking about music and videos, what I'm really referring to is people who are using it and it's just playing constantly in the video, or some people are using it as intro into the video. They just turn the music on and they'll sit and they'll jam to it, and then they start talking, or they wait for people to come into the room or come into the stream before they start talking. And while they're doing that, they're letting music play. That's copyright infringement if you don't own the music, if you don't have permission to use it. Now, if you're someone who maybe you scope in your car, you're doing something, and the music is on when you hit the button, but you immediately turn it off, maybe you just didn't get to the off button in time, that's not really considered infringement. That's more incidental. But you just don't want to toe the line. If you can turn the music off, if you don't have permission to use it, then turn it off. Okay? So we talked about why the videos have been taken down because of copyright infringement, what you can do. So we discussed owning the rights, owning your own music, the second thing was having a license, or having a license to use that music. Okay, so what happens if it is your music or you have permission to use it and Facebook has still taken your video down? Well, what happens is, when they take your video down, you'll get a notice, and in that notice you'll be able to choose the option to appeal the removal of your video. Choose appeal and let them know why your video should not be taken down. Either you own the rights to the music or you have permission to use the music. Those are the options. If you don't own the rights to music and the music is not royalty free, that's another thing. Maybe there's someone that you got it from a place where they have open copyright. It's royalty free, so you don't have to have a license to use it. If you don't have one of those three things, then I'm sorry, but your video is gone and you're going to have to re-record it. Okay? So if you want more information about copyrights, because that's a big issue right now, especially with the internet. It's so easy to infringe on someone else's copyright, especially since people don't really have a great understanding of what copyrights really are. So if you want some more information about copyrights, feel free to take my class. I have a course that's online called the Copyright Masterclass that will walk you through every detail of copyrights, including more information about what exactly copyrights are, what they protect, what they don't protect, and what to do if you find out that someone's actually infringing on your copyright. Okay? Until then, I'll talk to you later.